Hey guys, how's it going? So today we're doing something a little different than what we normally do. We're going to do an afternoon fishing trip, but we're still targeting our usual red, snook, and trout. We're going to start out with a little bit of wade fishing. I found this nice little spot to anchor up the kayak and get the rod out. And we're going to see what we can do about putting some fish in the boat, all right? So without any further ado, let's get fishing. Well, there's definitely mullet out there. I'm hoping those birds didn't blow my cover. Oh! Hook up. Nice, dude. That wasn't where I was expecting it, but I'll take it. There we go, guys. Easy, buddy, easy. You all right? Little red for the first red of the day. See what we can do about getting a good release on him. See ya, buddy. This wind is making it a little tough, I will say that. But you know what, guys? I think that was a one-off catching the red on our way out. I think our best bet is going to be to try to work up another shoreline and kind of try to recreate what we did here. There's a shoreline right down this way past the kayak that I'm thinking looks pretty good, so I'm going to take a little walk and a couple casts, and if that doesn't pan out, we're going to paddle up alongside here. Let me adjust the camera here. Paddle up along here, see if we can't fish that point right there. I bet there's red stacked on it. Oh, let's go hook up. Uh-oh. He's trying to hide under the boat. There we go. All right, guys. Little red. I'm gonna get him unhooked. We're coming up on a pretty bad oyster bar. Sprayed me right in the face. I'm gonna need to kind of take care of that, but there he is going back. See you, buddy. Hey guys, so I think we're gonna get headed back to the boat ramp. The tide has gone almost completely slack, the wind's picking up, so I think it's time to call it a day. I know we didn't catch as many fish as we usually do, but conditions were a little rougher today, so it is what it is. But if you guys like the video, I'd really appreciate it if you'd leave a like down below and subscribe if you're not already. Thank you guys so much for watching it. I really do appreciate your support. Have a good day and God bless.